In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can sell your reuse products on the largest online marketplace. You heard me right. If you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed to this Roladel, please kindly do so right now. Subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime we drop an amazing content. And thank you so much as you do that. So like I said before, I'm going to show you how to sell your products for free on the largest online marketplace in Nigeria and other countries. You don't need to pay anybody any money to sell your market, and it is not hard for you to see customers buying your market or your products on this particular platform, regardless of whatever it is that you want to sell or your country. As you can see, the platform uses different currencies and you can easily sell anything on this platform. And also, if you are looking for a product to buy, you don't want to go into the markets. You can actually check this marketplace online and you can buy any product you want to buy online. All you need to have is just your mobile phone and data, and you can sell or buy on this marketplace together. And also, you can also upload any product you want to sell on this marketplace, regardless of what it is that you are selling. You can put it on this marketplace, even services as well. And that is why I introduced you to Roladel, which is the #1 and the largest marketplace online in Africa for the first instance. Let me show you how a Roladel post looks on the computer. Open any category, and this is it. Just like this on the computer. Can you see Roladel service and products just like this on the computer? You can actually post proposals like this for free. You can actually buy anything ranging from vehicle, property, mobile phone, electronics, home furniture, appliances. You can actually post a service job. Anything ranging from anything you want to buy. These are the features products that have been uploaded by people that actually want to sell this product and services on this marketplace. You can see various services and you can actually negotiate and talk to people if you are. If you don't agree with their price, you can negotiate with them through chat. Also, on this platform, you see there are a lot of proposals that are trending that people want to buy and people are patronizing. You can see somebody wanting to sell this to you. You can see everything on this marketplace. And also, if you want to check this platform on your mobile phone, all you need to do is just go ahead and go to your mobile phone, and on your mobile phone, just search for Roladel.com and you can see Roladel. Here on the homepage you can search, and you can also search by typing what you need here. So if you want to do anything on this particular website, you can do it for free. You don't need to pay anyone on this particular website. So if you want to buy on this particular website, all you need to do is just click on an item and you can see the chat option, phone number, WhatsApp or Telegram of the seller. So you are going to register if you want to chat with the seller on this particular website. That is when you need to register. So if you want to sell on this platform, definitely you need to register on this platform. So let's start from registration on this platform. So to register on this platform, all you need to do is just click on register. Once you click on a sign up, it's going to say Google or email. You can select the one you prefer. Then you can actually register with Google or sign up with your email. So I prefer to always use my Google account to sign in whatever I want to do. But if you don't have a Google account or whatever, sign in on your phone, you can actually click sign up with an email. So once you click sign up with an email, you are going to ask for your email password, first name, last name. But me, I like signing up with my Gmail because I want easy access to my Gmail by signing on my phone. So I will just go ahead with signing up with Google. So once I click sign up, Google is going to list out the numbers of Gmail I have on my phone to sign in with. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So right now, I have signed in with my Google account. We now have a profile whereby when you upload a proposal which includes product for sale, you can easily see those data as messages. So right now, let's say you want to actually buy on this platform. I will explain that later, but let me go to those that want to sell on this platform. So right now, let's say you want to sell on this platform. You can see the part that says post proposal. So just click on that, just click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to say the category of what you want to sell and other retirement, as you can see, for categories. If it's about property, you can also sell houses there. So right now, let me say I want to sell reuse items. I'll click on this one. So you need to add everything here on this page with at least 2 pictures of the products. So click on this button and select those products or service pictures. And if you have a video that people can watch about this particular product, you can link it, but it is not compulsory. Right now, you can see those 3 pictures. I want someone that wants to buy this product to see it. I want to sell this phone. I want to sell the picture the person is going to see. So it is advisable to give as many pictures as possible so that the person will see what you want to buy instead of wasting your time or whatever. Asking you more questions the person might have would have seen the picture of the product he wants to buy. In the description, you have to give them as much information as possible. Then after the information, you are going to set the price you want to sell it, regardless of what product you are going to set the price for. So this one I want to sell. You can see this base on your country's currency, and everything is very, very easy on this platform. Just make sure you give as many details details as possible on what you want to sell. A lot of people sell on this platform. All you do is just people who don't have a shop. People don't own a product, but they still sell. All they do is just go to people that have a product, upload their product for them. When they upload their product for them, they sell it at the original price. They just add probably small amount and they sell, collect their percentage and go. So that is what people do on this platform. And those that have a physical store or a physical shop, they also own a virtual store on this particular platform whereby they can bring customers to their shop, to their physical shop. So it is a very, very lucrative business to extend to if you actually move to a virtual store, because it's one of the largest online marketplace in Africa right now. So that is how to use this platform for yourself to make money and for yourself. If you actually see something useful in this video, you can drop it in the comment section. Let me know what you feel about this if you are using it already. Let me know in the comment section if you are using this platform already, and if you find knowledge in this video, let me know also in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in another video, and bye for now.